Hello Android users, in this video I'll tell you the features of broadcast list. I told you in the previous video how to create the list and what it is actually, but we will explore the features. Now open that list and go to the information area. It will be visible on your chat, right? Now see, there is this information area. I can edit the recipients and add more people to it by tapping on it and selecting it. You have to tap on the tick option in the middle, if you can see the green one, in the green box, right? So I'm adding this person to this recipient. So now see, we have 4 recipients in this broadcast list. Now what we will do is, see, I can message here, right? This is an example how it works. Now go to the personal chat, individual chat, and you will see, like, see, do it your way can get this yo message, right? Similarly, other 3 recipients will also receive. But if I want to delete this message, then what will happen is it will not be deleted if I delete it from the individual chat, right? It is telling delete for me only. So this is very crazy thing. What you gotta do is you can delete together by going to the broadcast list chat, and now see, I got this option of delete for everyone. If I want to delete from individual person chat, the message that I send through WhatsApp broadcast, it will not be deleted. So be careful, be mindful who all are added in the list and what are you sending, right? So if you by chance send something which you want to delete, then from everyone's chat it will be deleted, the message basically. So the yo was deleted from the broadcast list and not the individual chat, right? So that is how we delete the message from broadcast list and how it is done, right? See you in the next video. Tada.